Hi you guys, and welcome back to Nikko House to Home. Today is all about the kitchen island. Enjoy the video you guys. Be blessed, and we will see you on the next one. The island, we want it to be just a little bit higher than the kitchen sink or the cabinets that's on the wall. So that is what Ishmael is doing, and I'll let you see it when he turn it over. See how high it's gonna be. So this is how that is looking, and it's not put up or glued or screwed, but this gonna go here too, just to get the cabinet or more. Put it down. Put it down. So this is how Ishmael is looking. And I am looking, because we are cutting this granite. So there go the piece there that he cut first time. That's the piece, and then we're finna cut a little piece off here. Yeah.
Hello everyone. Just wanted to show you my work that I did yesterday. I worked 13 hours yesterday. It was real a heavy day. But anyway, I came home, cut the tile, the granite, and modified the granite so it could fit my
Ishmael is finna to extend this granite countertop. So it's gonna stick it on there like this, like so. This thing is heavy. Wait, let me put it on here. So that's how it's gonna look when he extends the countertop. I don't know you had the last. Okay, today we are putting the granite down on the island. I was looking at Ishmael trying to see what he was doing. So, and that's what we're doing. Okay, so he gotta be real precise.
Don't you want to eat?
Yes, babe, I want to even.
Use some of this cricket.
Yes, the hole is in there.
I'm sorry, bro. I was trying to.
I didn't even take it from the bottom.
I don't know how many do this, bro. You be doing that. What are you talking about taking from the bottom? What? Yours is. Let's do the shit, Cole, and quit playing. Put some of them faster stuff. You want me to do that? No? Yeah.
Okay, and we just put the darn granite back up there. So in this clip, we took the epoxy and the granite dust and put it together and stuck the granite together. Okay, Ishmael is cleaning off of the stuff. He's trying to get it as close as possible. And this is how that turned out. You really cannot tell. It's really not dry all the way. Once it gets dry all the way, then you probably won't even be able to really tell. You can kind of tell if you up on it. So I'm letting you see the close up on it. But if it's far away, you can't see it. Well, now you can see it, but because you know where it's at. But if you couldn't see it. Okay, Ishmael just tore up a pallet and brought it in. This week we are doing the counter. So we're just finishing the back with this. We're going to show a little clip of that. Let's stay tuned. Okay, we doing this because of this, the back of this, like the kids can kick it and it'll go in. So that's why we are strengthening the back of this, and then we're going to stain it. So that's how it's looking. Let it go. Okay, so we're almost done. So this is how the back of the iron is looking. These are my new bar stools that Ishmael is going to put together. I think they are so cute. Cute, cute. Lift it up, Ishmael. Look. Oh my god, I love that color. That color is everything, like a buttercream. It reminds me of the inside of a bubble. Okay, the man is fixing the chairs for me. I love this, how the chair look. So cute, cute, cute. Now do the end. This is how the chairs look. So cute, cute, cute. I am so in love with these chairs. Bar stools. I think that even look good with the bar stool. I am in love with this look. Yes.